How's it going, guys? Blake here. Welcome to Nimaroh Academy. This is our new platform to kind of give back some of the knowledge that we've learned over the past 2 years of running our company, and for me to kind of deep dive some of the production related questions that a lot of you guys ask me. A lot of you guys DM me about cameras and drones and color grading, and I do my best to reply to those, but often they're not the deepest of answers. So here on this channel, I'm going to not only deep dive and answer those questions, but also give you guys kind of an insight on my workflow and creative process. So if there's any questions that you guys are dying to have answered, drop them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to pull on my past experiences and answer those for you guys. We have a lot of exciting content coming soon, so stay tuned, and until next time, cheers.